So hello guys, welcome to today's training. Today's training is just an informative training. So I'm going to be sharing with you the best platforms that you can start using to build out your sales funnel as an online entrepreneur. So especially if you are new to the online space, sales funnel is one of the best strategy that can make you to improve your sales on the internet. Not necessarily you are running any kind of business that is hosted like that online. Even if you run businesses that are practiced offline, let's say you're a real estate agent, you're a realtor, so having a sales funnel is still one of those strategies that can help you to grow your sales rapidly. If you're a fitness coach, if you're an author, so activities like that, they are more of offline activities or businesses. But whichever kind of business that you are doing there, it is always important that you find a presence for your business on the internet, and that system that helps you to get customers from the internet and make them and bring them to the point of them becoming loyal customers to you is actually what we refer to as a sales funnel. So I'm not going to be talking much on what sales funnel is in this video. I'm just going to be sharing with you those platforms that are the best one that you should be using. So however, starting up, one of the things that you could be considering is making sure that you are using the best platform that can at least offer you or handle every activity that you want to handle in the process of building your sales funnel. So you don't go ahead and pick a software and at the long run you discover that actually this software is not doing what I wanted it to do. So you don't want to make that mistake, and that's why I'm making this video today. And at the same time, you also want to make sure that you are going with the software that will not break your bank. Actually, really, you don't want to go with the software that is going to cost you too much to start using while you're probably just starting on the online space. So guys, if today's content is what you want and you wanted to hear, please give this video a thumbs up, and if you are new to this channel, subscribe to the YouTube channel, and let's meet in. Guys, today's video is brought to you by highincomefunnels.com. So High Income Funnels is a business that helps individuals, businesses to help to build their funnels and run several kinds of marketing. So High Income Funnels is dedicated to helping individuals or businesses build markets, optimize, structure their funnels the way it should go. So if you need a service, check our website in the link below on the link, or check the link on this screen. You're gonna find a link to get to highincomefunnels.com. So guys, without further ado, let's go straight into the main content of today's training, which is the best platforms for building out your funnel in 2022. So guys, what is the first one? The first one here is GetResponse. My experience with using GetResponse, I can conclude to you that GetResponse is actually one of the best softwares out there that you can use for building funnels. And another cool thing about this GetResponse is that it is actually, they have a free plan now, so that's quite exciting. About some months ago, they did not have these free plans. This free plan was just introduced to their platform few months ago, which actually make them super excellent. So on GetResponse, you can do a lot of things. On GetResponse, you can design your landing pages, you can build your funnels, you can design your email automations, you can design your newsletters, and so on. Another cool thing about GetResponse is that you can use it to also design a website. Another cool thing about GetResponse is that they have pre-built templates that you can just go ahead and pick and start using. They have tons of template on landing pages. They have tons of template on emails, which are the key things in sales funnel. So get response, if you are new and you are thinking of starting out, I would recommend using get response because they are super awesome, and their pricing package is very minimal. They have the free package, as I've told you earlier, and they have the basic package. The free package is available for you to use forever, but it has some limitation. The limitation is that you can only have up to 500 contacts. The moment your contacts are exceeding 500, you need to upgrade to the basic plan, which is just $12.3 per month, which I perceive to be the cheapest software out there in the market. You can build one landing page and a couple of other things that you can see here. They also have the plus package and they have the professional package. So get response is super awesome. The second one is system.io. Yeah, system.io is also an exceptional platform. It is system.io actually seems like a new platform in the sales funnel space, because I began to hear about system.io sometime in 2021, that's last year, and before you know it, everybody began to talk about it. And I think one of the cool thing about this system.io that makes everyone accept it and talk about it and promote it a lot is because they have a free plan, and their free plan is superb, is excellent, guys. In the out there is really any platform that can be compared to this system.io. It's quite exceptional. Now you're gonna see something right now on their package. You see this, they have the free package that is $0 per month. That's free, and you can have up to 2,000 contacts on the free package. You can have up to 3 sales funnel. You can have your sales funnel can have up to 10 steps. You can even build blogs on it. You can have one membership site. You can have a lot of other things. You can set up automation. You can set up one automation, one workflow email campaign, and you can also offer upsells, order bump, and many other things with the free package, which I think for a startup the free package is okay. But if you think that your business requires more, it's simple, just upgrade to their to a paid package and you will be surprised. Their paid package starts from $27 per month, which is quite incredible for any kind of business out there to start up, because it is very cost effective. So guys, if you are looking for a cheap platform to start building a sales funnel, I will recommend you go to system.io. It's very excellent. I recommend it. I've used it several times and I can give them kudos that they have done a wonderful job building a great software like this for as low amounts like that. And guys, I believe as times goes on and this system.io begin to gain traffic, they're gonna increase their price, because what they are offering for free or for a less package like this, guys, it's very competitive. They are going to increase their price as they begin to get in a lot of users. So it's a good platform to start up with now as a new or if you are just starting out and you are looking for something cheap to start with. And if you are new, if you want to sign up, I'll leave a link in the description below that you can just use to sign up and enjoy these free bonuses. So also to the get response, if you want to sign up, I leave link in the description to sign up for all the softwares I'm going to be recommending in this video. And now the next one here is Elemento. Yeah, Elemento is quite an exceptional one that you won't want to joke with. But you know, recently only few people actually knew that you can use Elemento to build a sales funnel. Now Elemento is a page builder that works with WordPress. Now actually recently I realized Elementor itself, you can now host a website on Elementor. You can now build pages also on Elementor. But that aside, working with Elementor on WordPress, you can build a very good sales funnel for yourself. And you can, Elementor has the free package, they also have the paid package. So you can just start off with the free package. The free package can still do a couple of things, but if you want to enjoy it without limit, I can just advise you to go for the paid package. So they have quite cool prices here that you can go with. They have the essential package, which costs $49 per year. So that is quite incredible. If you be dividing that into months, let's see how much it costs. So when I did $49 divided by 12, so I'm getting about $4.0, which is very incredible, using this software for a good 12 months for just $49. So it's quite incredible. You can go ahead and grab it and start using it. But as few things to note here is that email automations, for you to run email automations on Elementor, you have to integrate it with an email marketing software like GetResponse, and I will recommend going for GetResponse, since GetResponse also is cheap. So I have worked with GetResponse and Elementor very well. And actually, if you are just starting up and you don't want to spend much money on page builders, funnel softwares and the likes, you can just go for Elementor and GetResponse. Combine both of them together, you're going to come up with an awesome funnel. So that's it. And so you be able to use that GetResponse to run the email automations, follow-up emails, email template, and so on, the follow-up system in the sales funnel. And so guys, the fourth one here is Thrive Suite. So Thrive Suite is actually awesome. You can also call it Thrive Theme. Yeah, you can call it Thrive Themes. Now Thrive Themes is an awesome package. So they call it suite because it comprises of different packages that can help you to build out a very good website and a very good sales funnel. So if you actually have this thing already, you can just go ahead and use it. And even instead of going out there and buying expensive softwares for building sales funnel, you can just go ahead and get WordPress, get a domain, get a hosting, and get these Thrive Themes up there, and you can use it for 1 year for a very minimal price. Now when I check the price for Thrive Themes at the time of doing this video right now, Thrive Themes cost only about $19 per month. And if you go to their site and see right now, you realize that Thrive Themes costs about $228 per year, which means if you're gonna divide that money into 12 months, you realize that you are billed $19 per month, which is quite an incredible discount. So guys, compared to many other platforms out there, this platform is very cheap. There are some platforms that they charge you nothing less than $97 per month, and they charge you about $700-800 per year to use the software. So guys, instead of going for stuff expensive like that, you can just check out these tools and use them for building out your sales funnel. So some incredible features about this Thrive Theme is this: you can use it as a theme. Thrive Themes has themes on its own. That's the WordPress theme that you can just install. They have the Thrive Architect, which is the page builder that we'll be using to design your pages and so on. They have the quiz builder. They have a lot of many other things. They have the automator that you can use to set up automations, email automations on Thrive Themes. So if you just need a funnel, guys, you just need Thrive Themes. Thrive Themes is one of the best that I'm going to recommend for you, and you will enjoy it. So guys, I believe you have learned a lot in today's video. If you have done, drop one thing that you have learned in the comment section. And if you have any other question regarding any of the platforms, feel free to reach out to me and ask me this question. I'll be glad to help you out. And if you need help with building your funnels on any of the platforms I've just mentioned, feel free to reach out to whyincomefunnels.com. I will leave a link in the description below by which you can contact us, and we'll be glad to help you building out your sales funnel. So guys, thank you for watching and learning with me today. Until next time, peace.